In today's fast-moving med device world, speed isn't just an advantage, it's survival. While production lines are increasingly automated, many manufacturers are still stuck with manual validation. The result? Bottlenecks that add months to development cycles. Automated validation is changing the game, cutting certification timelines by up to 50% and accelerating market entry by 3 to 6 months. It also improves compliance. Automated systems create standardized, audit-ready documentation, helping you avoid costly delays and warning letters. Plus, the long-term savings are real. Lower production costs, better control, higher yield. Automated validation pays for itself. Yes, there are challenges like resistance to change and upfront costs, but forward-thinking companies are overcoming them, starting small and scaling fast. Automated validation isn't just smarter, it's a competitive edge. Faster time to market, better outcomes, and a healthier future. Accelerate your validation journey with Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com